Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this pentagon shape. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. Now we will yarn over, insert a needle in that small circle, a ring, then grab the yarn and pull through, and then we will make a half double crochet stitch. See again, yarn over, insert the needle through that circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. In similar way, we are going to make a set of 3 half double crochet stitch followed by a double crochet stitch. Okay, and technique is going to be same. Yarn over, insert your needle from that ring, that small circle, grab the yarn, pull through and make a half double crochet stitch. So we are going to make 5 in total, 5 set or 5 group, in which each set includes 3 half double crochet stitch followed by 1 double crochet stitch, again 3 half double crochet stitch followed by 1 double crochet stitch. So this we are going to do 5 times. Okay, so like this 3 half double crochet stitches, these are sides of a pentagon, and 1 double crochet stitch, that is the corner of the pentagon. Okay, so like 3 half double crochet stitch, it will be side, so and double crochet will be the corner. So that's why we need to do it 5 times. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. If any of you want to refer tutorial video of half double crochet stitch or double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You can go through them. Very slow demonstration is given and like you will understand it quite well. So you can refer it. Now see, here we are done with a basic or foundation pentagon shape, a small pentagon shape it is. Okay, see we have got 5 corners and 5 sides. Okay, now we will join, first we will make our last double crochet stitch. There we go. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Sorry for the background noise, my kids are playing. Okay, now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. There it goes. Now see that free and yarn was there, we are supposed to pull it now, pull it a bit harder, so like your middle gap is completely packed and you get a solid pentagon shape. Okay, without any gaps, without any holes, you are getting a solid pentagon shape. Now comes the technique how to make it as bigger as we want. So wherever we have made double crochet stitch, on that 1 double crochet stitch itself we will make 1 half double crochet stitch followed by a double crochet stitch followed by a half double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make this set a group of 3 stitches on every single double crochet stitch. Okay, just remember, on every single double crochet stitch we will make 1 half double crochet stitch followed by a double crochet stitch, then followed by a half double crochet stitch, and in rest each single half double crochet stitch we will make 1 half double crochet stitch on each single half double crochet stitch. Okay, this is the only technique. You have to go on following this for every single round. Wherever you have made half double crochet stitch, you will make 1 half double crochet stitch on previous half double crochet stitch, and wherever you get that double crochet stitch, there you will make that set of one half double crochet stitch followed by a double crochet stitch followed by a half double crochet stitch. So take as many rounds as you want, just keep this technique going on, so you get those pentagon corners, pentagon sides parallelly going on growing, your design goes on growing. So like I'll make some more rounds and for your better explanation. Sorry for background noise, my kids are playing. So I'm making it for tutorial purpose, so I'll just make 3-4 rounds and I'll show you. You can make it as big as you want. As I've already told you the technique, you have to just follow that. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now this is how our final piece looks like. Okay, see, no gaps are there, no holes are there. It is a solid pentagon shape, and it's going on growing as much as rounds we go on making. Okay, as I told you earlier, I'm making it this for just a tutorial purpose, so I'm not taking many rounds. It's only 4-5 rounds I've made. It depends on you. You can make it as bigger as you want. Okay, and once you are done with all your rounds, for final step, what you do, make one slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, just remember, one slip stitch in each single stitch. See, this is how. Go on making one slip stitch. When you are done with all your rounds, you have made it, made your desired length, you've made it desired size. Okay, now when we reach the top, when we reach the double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch, then make a chain crochet stitch, and again go on making one slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, yeah, so only whenever you reach your double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch over there and make a chain crochet stitch, and then again followed by one slip stitch in each single stitch. So this is how it's going to look like. Those who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you, thanks a lot. And those who have not yet subscribed, I'll request you, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of videos, and already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. So if you like the video, like, comment and share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video till end. If you like the video, please like, comment, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.